Welcome to Bellagio, the pearl of Lake Como, a charming town where cobblestone streets, breathtaking views, and timeless beauty come together. In this video, we'll take you through the best spots to see and some hidden gems you won't want to miss. So stay with us till the end. You might discover something truly special. Just a minute's walk from the bus stop, you'll find the ferry terminal, your gateway to explore the beautiful towns across Lake Como. But before we hop on, let's take a quick stroll through the charming streets of Bellagio. Our first hidden gem, the gardens of Giardini di Villa, a peaceful spot tucked away from the crowds, offering some of the most stunning views of Bellagio and Lake Como. If you visit, this is a must-see. Now it's time for our second hidden gem. As you walk through the charming town, you'll come across Parchetto della Punta, a stunning spot perfect for relaxing and capturing beautiful photos with Lake Como as your backdrop. To wrap up our day in Bellagio, hop on a ferry with us as we head toward our next destination, the beautiful town of Menaggio. Make sure to stay tuned, because we'll be exploring it in our next video.